Imagine bringing your wildest ideas to life with just a few words. That's the power of Sora AI, the revolutionary tool that's about to change how we create video. Today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage Sora AI to generate stunning video content, all from simple text prompts. Forget complex editing software. Sora AI is about to democratize video creation. The core of using Sora AI is surprisingly straightforward. You'll begin by crafting a clear and descriptive text prompt. Think of it as painting a verbal picture for the AI. The more detail you provide, the more precisely Sora AI can interpret your vision. Consider elements like the subject, the setting, the mood, lighting, and even the camera angles. Once you've finalized your prompt, you'll submit it to Sora AI. The magic happens next. In a matter of moments, the AI analyzes your description and begins to construct a unique video. What you'll see emerge is visually rich and coherent video content, often with remarkable detail and realism, or a distinct artistic style, depending on your prompt. The creative possibilities are virtually limitless for marketers. It means quickly generating engaging social media content for educators. It's explaining complex concepts with compelling visuals. For storytellers, it opens up new avenues for bringing narratives to life. And for anyone with an idea, it's now easier than ever to create something truly unique. Sora AI simplifies video creation like never before, empowering you to translate your imagination into captivating visual experiences. Start experimenting today and see what you can create.